I haven't made a video in like weeks. Gracie says hi, and then you're all babies in her eyes. I wanna go away. This could possibly be the best burrito ever eaten. This is the randomest video ever. So I was talking to Gracie, and apparently she went up and hugged my locker. That diabolical beast. And my poor locker. Leave Brittany alone. Nah, I'm just kidding. OMG. Look at the light. Pink sleeping bag. Ha da 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 da. Ha da 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 da. Ow. The things I do for you guys. Hey guys, it's 8:40. It's way past my bedtime. Oh my god, I feel like such a rebel, like in the movie I said. Okay, well, I'm going to enjoy a cup of raw sewage, and you guys make sure to press this button right here, I think. Right there or right there. If you don't press the button, I will seriously come hunt you down, and I will make you press that button.